Welcome, in front of me is TECNO Spark 20 Pro, and in this video I'll show you what to do if your fingerprint scanner doesn't recognize your fingerprint. In such case, you'll have to set up a new fingerprint for your phone, so open the settings, then select the password and security section, then select fingerprint, confirm. If you have enrolled any fingerprint before, delete the models, and then to add a new fingerprint, click add, and before we add it, let's use a dry towel to wipe the surface of the fingerprint scanner so that it can read the fingerprint model smoothly, and make sure that it's clean. And after that, click next and proceed by placing your finger on the scanner until you have scanned the entire surface. Then scan the edges of your fingerprint. And once you're done, click finish, then go back to the settings, and then before we proceed, let's also make sure that that the system is up to date on our phone. So once you're in settings, scroll down to the system, open it, select system update, check for online updates available for your phone, and if there are any, then take your time and download any available. And then before we proceed, to make sure that the changes applied, let's restart the phone by holding the power button for a while and selecting restart. Then wait until the phone is rebooted. And when it is, let's enter the pattern, and then let's try to unlock the phone using the fingerprint that we just added. And as you can see, everything went smoothly for me, and I hope it did for you too. And if it did, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.